So let's begin with a little orientation to the present moment. So the idea with this is that the more well-oriented we are in the present moment, connecting to the environment through the senses, and that primes us for being here, that supports us to be in the here and now, and also helps us orient to what's meaningful, which is then supportive for guiding our life path. So let's go ahead and take your eyes off the screen. We'll go ahead and begin. And just see where your eyes go. Notice where they go naturally, spontaneously, without any particular direction in terms of making them do something, but see where do they go spontaneously. And then you can notice if you linger somewhere or if you move along to somewhere else. You may notice other senses awake, the sounds in your space or the tactile sense of temperature. And so see what you see, hear what you hear, maybe smell what you smell or taste what you taste. So see what comes in easily right now from the environment, this feedback that you're here, and that there's some information, light, shadow, or texture. And then we'll let that go. And if you feel moved, write in the chat just if there's something that you're noticing now after that little bit of orientation, either kind of how you're doing overall or as we're arriving here, or maybe something that you noticed in your environment that's somehow significant or standing out to you, or perhaps even something neutral, something familiar, something surprising. My eyes kept going to this beautiful tree branches swaying in the wind, and there's some beautiful clouds with the light right behind that. So this is beautiful painting, beautiful layering. And I hear the airplanes going by. More grounded in my chair. Excited to be connecting with the structure to support meaning and the life path. I was interested in all the shiny things in my room. Nice. Light and shadows. More peripheral vision, taking in light and views through the windows from both sides of my desk, computer area. My eyes started to relax, and I noticed when tension would come in and be able to let it go. It was calming. Nice. Cat on lap. That's wonderful. Lots of distractions, loud neighbors, wanting to connect to beautiful view out the window. Lots of things, so many things. Bubbles in the water glass. The wind was louder and there was a light stripe at first when I closed my eyes. Drifting snowflakes. Appreciation for and calm in my space. Feeling tired. The bursting amount of light in the raindrops on the branches. Ooh, love that. The bursting amount of light in the raindrops on the branches. Love it. My eyes went to the branches of the tree out my window, a little fractal, little resonance throughout our group here. I can hear the children playing outside. I feel more connected and present and happier. So cool, so simple. What a sweet beginning.